Alright guys, so today we have a little bit of a different type of video, but it's still some pretty cool tech. We've got an adjustable dumbbell by Initial Force. So if you have been looking to get in shape, then this is going to be the video for you. We're going to get it out of the box and let you guys know what we think. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting off, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe if you're following where you're seeing this video at. Get in the community and the comments, and if you got the chance to hit that like button, be sure to do so. Today's episode is brought to you by Initial Force. We have their adjustable dumbbell kit. That's right, we're going to be doing some working out. Also keep in mind all the links and details to this adjustable dumbbell kit is in the notes below. So this is a professional adjustable dumbbell kit. So let's see what type of technology we have in the handle for adjusting the weight just as soon as we get it out of the box. Let's go. So this is the Initial Force adjustable dumbbells. Let's get it out of the box. It's a pretty heavy package. Of course, max weight of 55 pounds. I would imagine so. Alright, it looks like we have the paperwork right here on top. Then we have the stand for the dumbbells. It's pretty awesome. Check that out. Then we got some foam. That's breaking up. We'll just go ahead and get that out of the way. Take the stand. And pull that down. Get the wrapper off. And that is everything you can get in the box. So let's take a closer look at these. Alright, once you get it on your platform, you want the orange arrows to be pointing to the top. Then you just rotate the handle on the weight you want and it will come out. It is that simple. This thing is freaking awesome. But that is what you get out of the box. So we'll get into some more details. Let's check it out. Okay, so if you're needing a dumbbell kit from the range of 15 pounds to 55 pounds, you definitely gotta look into this one. The professional adjustable dumbbell kit has quick weight adjustment, secure locking design, stainless steel dumbbell plate, giving you all you need to get on them arm muscles, abdominal muscles, back muscles, and so much more in a full body workout. So if you are definitely looking for some muscle growth and to start easing up in some weights, this would be an ideal dumbbell kit for you to check out. The dumbbell tablets are built in high precision steel plate, giving you outer high strength rubber coating, making it wear resistant and durable, with also an accurate scale. You can easily see the markings to letting you know how many pounds you're about to pick up and selecting that with the twist of a handle, making the day of having multiple dumbbells sitting around a thing of the past. And if you're talking about cleaning up them other dumbbells, something else that this one does not do is make a mess. It all sits nicely in this base that really frees up space. And all that weight sits in a very rugged dumbbell case, giving you the base groove that is accurately positioned and stably inclined with the dumbbell plates to prevent a collision or dropping the plates improperly, while also having holding slots on each side, making carrying this thing around and putting it somewhere really convenient. I gotta say, I am pretty impressed with this dumbbell. It is very nice. It's got a really nice handle on it. You can select the weights really quick and easy, and the base plate holds it all really well in the corner without making a mess. So, hey, looking for something like this, I would definitely recommend you to check out this one. And we can also help you save some money on looking into Initial Force with a discount code. That is correct, my friends. All you gotta do is check out all the details in the description. And we'd also like to give a huge shout out to Initial Force for partnering up with us so we could give you this review as well as that sweet discount code. So make sure to hit that like button if you found this review helpful and get in the comments letting us know what your thoughts are on this dumbbell kit. As well as if you want to keep up with more content like this and keep them discount codes coming, make sure to subscribe or follow wherever you're seeing this video at. That is going to wrap it up for today's episode. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and once again, I'll be seeing you guys in the next review.